A major drug network operating across West London has been dismantled after a long Metropolitan Police investigation. At the center of the case was Hardeep Thind, also known as Harry Singh, described by investigators as the leading figure behind the operation. But the most shocking name in the case was Purshotam Dhillon, a 59-year-old magistrate from Hounslow. According to the Metropolitan Police, Dhillon was a serving magistrate at the time of his arrest, while the criminal network was supplying heroin and crack cocaine across London. Investigators say the group operated multiple drug lines, including a highly active line known as Hardeep, supplying Class A drugs to a large customer base in West London. The investigation began in January 2024. Detectives used phone data, surveillance, forensic evidence, and downloaded phone material to identify the structure of the network and the roles of those involved. Police say Thind was the central figure, coordinating supply and directing others. At one stage, he was serving a long prison sentence, but investigators say he still managed to continue directing the network using a mobile phone. After his release in October 2024, police say he resumed criminal activity and expanded the operation around Hayes and Southall. Purshotam Dhillon's role was different, but deeply serious. Police say he stored drugs, cash, and equipment, and allowed a van containing substantial quantities of heroin to be parked outside his home. Investigators also found that drugs were being weighed and packaged inside the property. For the Metropolitan Police, the case was not only about drugs, it was about trust. A person connected to the justice system had become involved in a network causing harm on the streets. 4 key members were sentenced to Croydon Crown Court. Dhillon was jailed for 7 years. Hardeep Thind, also known as Harry Singh, received 12 years and 6 months. Bikramjit Brar was sentenced to 3 years and 4 months. Leandria Lynch received a suspended sentence. Police say the street value of drugs seized during the operation was around £174,000. This case shows how organized crime can hide behind ordinary homes, respected positions, and familiar streets. But it also shows how a long investigation can expose the full structure of a criminal network, from the people giving orders to those storing drugs, moving money, and helping supply the streets. A West London drug line has now been broken, and the message from police is clear. No position, no title, and no appearance of respectability puts anyone above the law.